In this video I'm going to show you the popcorn stitch, and it's only using 2 stitches into 1. The number of stitches is usually defined in the pattern, but if it ever says that you have to use 2, this is how you would do it. I'm just gonna skip to the second one over just for clarity. In the same stitch you're going to double crochet twice. So this is a double crochet using 2 stitches only, and then you're just going to drop the loop. So just pick it out and you're gonna come to the beginning one of the 2 and go in the top of the stitch and just plop it through to the back, and then grab the loop and pull it forward. So I'll show you that too again. So let's just go right here and we're going to double crochet twice. Remember the pattern would define how many times you need to do that. So sometimes it can be up to 5. So just coming up, just pulling it out, and then just coming from the top of the first one of 2, grab the loop and pull through, and that will make it fabulous. Now this is considered the right side popcorn. It's always the right side unless it tells you otherwise, but if it ever said it was the wrong side of the popcorn, this is what it would be. So in the same stitch you would still put your double crochets as normal, and it's the direction in which you're going to finish your popcorn. So drop in the loop. So the right side, the normal side, is from the front to the back, but if it ever says the wrong side, you're gonna go into the top of the first stitch from the back to the front, and then you're gonna put the loop on and pull it towards the back, and you can just see just by depth that that changes the look of that, and that pushes the popcorn to be popping out the back side. So this would be how you would do double crochet popcorn using only 2 stitches in the stitch.